The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 was just announced and we went hands-on with the beast. It turns out that we don't have to wait until IFA to see the Galaxy Watch revealed, as we just saw that, and we get a preview of the brand new Galaxy Home in a very awesome way. I'm Jaime Rivera. This is the face of a person that is filming at 10:30 p.m. because he just came from Unpacked, and it's been crazy because we've been filming videos. But we have the awesome new Galaxy Note 9. Leave your comments down below. I will go to sleep after this video, but I will read them tomorrow. This is Pocketnow Daily. All right, so the official news today begin with deals that have to do with the Galaxy Note 9. Definitely the hottest news is this as well, but for everyone that wants to buy this phone, like Sprint has got it 50% off if you grab their Flex plan. We already heard about the buy one, get one free deals from Verizon. We also have that same thing from AT&T, and then in the case of T-Mobile, you can swap an old phone and get this as well for nearly 50% off. There are a ton of deals. I don't ever remember Samsung being so aggressive about launching this phone. So yeah, I'll let you know why in future videos. And definitely for those of you that were wondering what will happen with Fortnite for Android, it is now live for those of you owning Galaxy phones. And because you're not going to be able to pick up a Galaxy Note 9 until August 24th, definitely, even though that phone's on the list, it doesn't really count because the exclusivity is from now up until the 12th. For all Galaxy phones after the S7, so if you have one, you can definitely download it. And there are definitely some deals if you buy the Galaxy Note 9, particularly with that skin from Fortnite, which is valued at 150 bucks. I find the pricing crazy, but anyways, you can learn more in the description. You know, we kind of heard that we weren't just getting a Samsung Galaxy smartphone at Unpacked, and oh my god, that was so true. We were introduced to the new Galaxy Home. For those of you that were wondering what was going to happen to the rumored Bixby speaker, it is now live. Now, the biggest problem is that the demos that were being shown were really 160 speakers that were in charge of providing the audio for Barclays Center. That is insane. Just the whole ensemble of how they pulled it off was great. The problem is that it seems that the product is not even close to being finished because we weren't really allowed to see more than just that. Stay tuned. And you know what? We also thought that we were getting the Galaxy Watch up until IFA, and no, we were surprised to see this watch today as well. It looks a lot like the Gear S3 Frontier, up to the point where there are casings, 46mm and 42. 46mm pretty much being the Gear S3 Frontier, but it's got a couple of added tricks. It does look more refined. The back also seems to provide a better heart rate monitor, and also this one is going to be LTE. It's even saltwater resistant. There are a ton of things that I can't wait to get my hands on one. Honestly, Samsung, yes, because we weren't given a unit. We'll see. Nobody was given a unit, but it was actually even hard to get one at the event, but I can't wait to tell you more. And finally, yes, the hottest news today were the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I think this is the first time that I kind of do like a sort of a hands-on. There's a full hands-on video with all the details that you need to know about this smartphone, all the specifications, everything that's special about this phone, and what we're expecting during our review process. We actually already filmed our unboxing, but we did it sort of special, so it's going to take me some time to edit it. So I will ask you in the comments, what do you want to know about this phone? What would you like us to compare it to? I have to admit I'm really excited because as much as I wanted to love the Galaxy Note 8, if you watch my After the Buzz, there were things about that phone that would annoy me that were actually fixed here. So even if most people call it an iteration, it's a good kind of iteration in my opinion, but leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel as well in English and in Spanish for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.